Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating reusable forms with React can be an excellent way to keep your code organized and maintainable. In this tutorial, we will continue with the series focused on using React Hook Form and JSON schema to create dynamic, reusable forms. Part 5, Advanced Form Handling with React Hook Form. In this part, we will focus on using nested fields in your forms, validating nested fields with JSON schema, handling form submission with nested data. Prerequisites. Before we dive into the code, ensure you have the following: 1. React installed in your project. 2. React Hook Form library installed. 3. AJV library for JSON schema validation. You can install the required libraries using npm. Step 1. Define your JSON schema. Let's define a JSON schema for a form that contains nested fields. This example will include a user profile form with nested address fields. Step 2. Create a reusable form component. Now, let's create a reusable form component that utilizes React Hook Form and integrates the JSON schema. Step 3. Integrate the form in your application. You can now use the user profile form in your main application component, passing the defined schema as a prop. Step 4. Run your application. Now that you've set everything up, run your application. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to create reusable forms in React using React Hook Form and JSON schema with nested fields. You also integrated form validation using the AJV library. This approach allows you to dynamically generate forms based on your JSON schema, making your forms more scalable and maintainable. Next steps. Explore more validation options with AJV. Add custom validation messages for better user experience. Implement form state management with React Context for deeper integration. Feel free to expand on this example by adding more fields, using different input types, or even integrating with a backend API for data submission.